Sir, I had a couple of questions.
Hey Hitesh, how are you? Yes.
I fine. So basically, these are east-west. So sorry for that. I have just two questions. So one was regarding when we serve a client when it comes to graphic designing, they expect us to do SEO. So I landed into graphic designing from via digital marketing.
Right.
So they expect us to also do SEO, some video editing, and some SEM and all that stuff. So how to deal with them? You know, we sometimes we can't afford to lose that client because some other projects that that really glorify our portfolio, and sometimes we need that we need that amount which client is willing to pay. So sometimes we are into a situation that we cannot afford to drop that client out.
Yeah, you should not.
So how
So
do
yeah. So please complete it. Please
yeah,
complete it.
yeah, just that.
Bottom line ये है कि मैं like I'm a graphic designer or a brand designer maybe, but the same client is asking me for other services. I cannot afford to lose that client. Cool, bingo, don't lose. But
Yeah.
it's good now you're getting more work. But see, um, how I deal with not I'm not talking about right now like today's scenario, but
Hmm.
I be transparent. Number one, that sir, I'm a brand designer. Okay, so I'm specialized in this now. If you're not specialized in SEO or SEM or SMM, maybe social media management or web or tech or app, etc. Uh, there are two um, scenarios. In one scenario, you be transparent with the client that this is my forte and these are the areas which is not my forte, but sir, what I'll do is I'll drive all this for you. By driving in the sense I will be the one point of contact, but I'm also onboarding A, B, C, D, whatever your for this particular requirement, and he and she is the one who will be respectively dealing with the other requirement of yours. ओके जहाँ पे आप ट्रांसपेरेंटली क्लियर करते हो यू इफ यू से अ क्लाइंट दैट यस सारा मैं कर लूंगा और ये मैं ही करने वाला हूँ industry is smart enough if you are genuinely talking to a decent client he knows that no bro it's not possible you cannot be knowing everything so a be transparent onboard respective people for the respective jobs for that particular project
Mhm.
in this scenario you can be the one point of contact by one point of contact I
Right.
mean uh, you are only handling the communication with the client whereas the other three or four that you have onboarded in your group for that project are talking to you and you are talking to them but they are transparent with the client also but the payments come to you you pay them maybe so the total amount may come to you you may pay the respective people their respective amounts. The only problem in this scenario is that you get um, sometimes very much into management and operations that your own identity or design works go for a toss.
Correct.
कि आप डे टू अरे ये एसईओ में ये ब्लॉग का ये इशू है या ऑर्गेनिकली कितना करना है फिर कब पेड चालू करना है
Hmm.
अरे कीवर्ड्स कैसे क्या है सो यू गेट इनटू ऑल दैट कम्युनिकेशन ए इज द सिनेरियो जहाँ पे लोग ये करते हैं बट इसमें ये मैं कह रहा हूँ माइनस पॉइंट ये बड़ा है कि आपका खुद का जो फोटो है वो टॉस पे चला जाएगा
Correct.
so the B another best case scenario is what I did and it worked and it still works sometimes is there is something or someone called as project manager or client servicing or
Yeah.
now though they are the one who really are solutions provider or strategist I may say there is my client servicing is not just about pleasing or greasing a client now it is much
Yeah.
more than that trust me it is a very tedious and the job in the industry uske bina bahut difficult hai sir so what I do I may hire a project guy with me who is solely responsible for dealing with the client and driving that project. He will take care that all the brand designer, motion, web, video, anything that your client may ask for are being started on time and being delivered on time, and he will deal with the client for all the day-to-day queries and get it done from the respective team of people. Because in such case the client will not be comfortable dealing with 4 to 5 people. He will need one point of contact, that's for sure. वो तो by default मतलब लगेगा ही उसको. But इन मैक्सिमम केसेस पीपल खुद ही करना चालू हो जाते हैं. उसमें बहुत फिर सब टॉस पे जाता भी है, बिकॉज यू आर नॉट द गाय टू सॉल्व क्लाइंट क्वेरीज ऑन मेरा एडवर्ड्स कैसे चलेगा. सो even maybe client service, that particular project manager can consult the client service, the social media person or the digital person or the respective person and get it done for the client. So make a team of collective of 4 to 5 people and then deliver that project. But yeah, you can always make sure that the if it's your client, the transactions can remain with you and at one place, and you pay the project manager and everybody. So don't so the payment should come in your one individual, whoever is the face value. Like you are the face value for the client. मतलब वो project manager दो day to day basis पे deal कर रहा है, but या कर रही है, but it has come on your face value. मतलब हितेश के फेस वैल्यू पे वो आया है काम. हितेश की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी भी बन जाती है, लेकिन फिर हितेश ने प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजर एक रखा है या रखी है, बट आपकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी बन जाती है कि देन वो सारा काम सही हो रहा है कि नहीं. तो कभी कभार क्या हो जाता है कि आपने आइडेंटिटी में बहुत सही डिलीवर करा, बट सब कुछ करते हुए भी हमारे वेब वाले ने कुछ फॉल्टर कर दिया. मतलब सब लोग ने सही काम किया, लेकिन वेब वाले ने सब टॉस पे डाल दिया. उस एक चीज की वजह से वो क्लाइंट डिसअपॉइंट हो सकता है, सब लोगों से, आपसे भी, जो आपने आइडेंटिटी लेवल पे सब सही काम करा. तो ये भी एक रिस्क सिनेरियो आ जाता है उसमें. ये रिस्क को खाली संभालना पड़ता है. तो रिकमेंडेशन तो यही होगा कि आपको अगर इफ यू थिंक दैट मनी इज वेरी मच इंपॉर्टेंट एंड क्लाइंट इज ऑल्सो वेरी मच इंपॉर्टेंट टू ग्लोरीफाई एक्सेट्रा एवरीथिंग, तो एक रिस्क फैक्टर आएगा कि आपका फेस वैल्यू रहेगा, आपको फेस वैल्यू संभालना पड़ेगा. जो वो प्रोजेक्ट से एसोसिएटेड है वो कहीं भी फॉल्टर ना करे, नहीं तो आप जो शायद अच्छे से डिलीवर कर रहे हो उसमें भी जजमेंट्स आना शुरू हो जाएंगे. एंड प्लीज एक प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजर या एक डेडिकेटेड रखो जो ये सब डे टू डे हायर करे, नहीं तो आपका बैंडविड्थ एनर्जी जाएगा तो आपका क्रिएटिविटी टॉस पे जाएगा. करेक्ट.